So, you came just in time to see these two guys get fat beyond belief. They're going to be eating all these Lithuanian candies, which are all based on cheese curds. Cheese curd candy, you hear that? I never heard anything as ridiculous in my entire life.
Oh, as our little moth-eaten friend said, we are going to be eating Lithuanian cheese curd candies, and there's really a lot of them.
It's not a lot. Five. It's just
We
five.
no, we bought five, but
Yeah,
there's like a million other brands that we couldn't buy because by the time we bought the fifth one, it's like, yeah, we're not gonna be able to eat these.
Yeah.
So
And we want to compare. So
yeah, so let's
we
begin.
will testing.
Let's begin. Okay, so first on the list, Nikštukas. That's the one with the dwarf. Very, very cute character. And this one is also with the flavor of almonds. So, I have a weird thing where I always forget the name of almonds. Get your finger out of the way. I have always forget the name of almonds in English or in Macedonian, so I just call them mandulati, like I'm Italian or something. So let's try this. So Nikštukas. I don't know. I always mispronounce Lithuanian names, but Nikštukas. Good, refreshing, but where are the almonds? There are no almonds. There is no almond taste. Did you feel almonds?
No.
No, but it's a good thing that just the curds have good. The second one is called Pasaka, I think. What's it like? Pasaka.
With raspberries.
These are raspberries? I don't, yeah. Well, these little pink things. Okay, so let's try them. These are all, by the way, Lithuanian cheese curds.
Oh, this is white chocolate.
Ah, yes, white chocolate. Oh, this is good.
I feel the raspberries.
Oh, yeah. It's got little chunks of chocolate inside. Yes.
This is very good. Maybe I prefer this because I love in summer sweets with yogurt or something, and
this tastes like raspberry yogurt actually. So pasaka with raspberries. Very good choice. This is great. So what's next?
Poaro mustache.
Yeah. Vilkiški moon, or is it mur? I don't know. What does it say here? Moon or mur? I think it's mur. And yes, they have the Poirot mustache and a cat with Poirot mustache. This is cat with Poirot mustache.
Poirot cat.
And this is with cherries. Chocolate. Yeah, definitely cherries.
Yeah.
But I don't know. I think that Pasaka was better. It's not bad. None of these are bad candies. Just
they are very refreshing for the summer. I don't know why we don't have something like this in Macedonia.
No creativity.
Maybe.
By the way, these things you have to eat them immediately.
Yeah.
After you have to take them to the fridge when you buy them very fast because they melt.
Yeah.
And it's a good thing we have a supermarket close to us.
So the next one is Magia, and we already tried this in Poland time.
Yeah, this is the first Lithuanian curd candy we ate, because Magia is sold in Juka's store in Poland, in Warsaw. And when we were in Warsaw, we tried this and we really liked it, because up until then we thought that cheese curd candies were just Latvian, they're just Karums.
No, we try in
In Hungary, yes.
Also, yeah.
Yeah, but I didn't like the Turorudi in Hungary.
I like.
Okay, sticky fingers cannot open. There it is.
So yeah,
So this is Magia with condensed milk.
it's not flavored, right? Just
Mm,
vanilla or
No.
just milk. Okay, I think it's vanilla.
Oh yeah, it's just vanilla. It's not
Ah.
condensed milk. My mistake. So this is Magia vanilla.
Yeah.
Mm. I like it. This is very refreshing. I don't think you need to add flavors to these things. I think they're beautiful just the way they are.
I love this with the raspberries.
Yeah, the raspberries were good. So that's Magia.
And the last one is just milk, right?
No, condensed milk. Caramelized condensed milk.
Okay.
Curd bar. This is from Well Done. Well Done is a brand, I think it's associated with Maxima, the supermarket chain. I'm not sure though. So let's open it. Now, stick your fingers. There we go. Haha, yes. I just came out from the shower. That's why I look like a crazy person. So. Oh. Yep, that's caramel and condensed milk. I don't know, it's a little too sweet.
Maybe, yeah. It's like yeah. I prefer with fruits.
Now, just because we grade on a curve, right? All of these are amazing, but some are better than others. It's
What's your favorite?
I would say Magia vanilla.
I would say raspberries. What was the
Pasaka.
pasaka? Yeah.
Yeah. So yes, and do we go for bonus round?
Oh. Bonus, huh?
Okay, yeah, bonus round. So Magia poppy seed.
Yeah, we bought 2 Magia.
Yeah. So we didn't want it to be unfair. So that Magia will have 2 contestants, but I don't think anyone else is making poppy seeds, so let's see. We love poppy seeds, by the way. It's
Yeah.
our favorite, maybe, candy filling. So Magia poppy seeds. I love these things, but they fall apart when you eat them.
Still my favorite is pasaka. Maybe because it's not for about the brand. And what will you say?
This is really good. But if I'm honest, the curds were freshest in. Let me see. I think Nishtikas had very fresh curds and pasaka. Magia a little less so. I couldn't feel the texture of the curds. It was too smooth. Pasaka and Nishtikas, they had good texture curds, and Mur and Well Done. I don't know. But Magia, I like Magia, I like the taste, but in terms of texture, they're too smooth. I like to feel the curds.
My favorite is pasaka.
Yeah. It's because you like
I'm
strawberries.
stick with pasaka. Yeah.
If we wanted to be objective, we should have gotten same flavor, but then we wouldn't have as much fun filming this video. And we love having fun. So
So have fun. Ah, really?
let's get extremely fat.
Okay, this is very interesting. Chocolate.
Or maybe another time.
Yeah, maybe later.
Okay.
Yeah, right.
Look at the mess they made. I mean, I always say moderation in everything. I mean, what are you gonna do? Where am I gonna find trousers for you guys? I need you to keep moving around. I can't move around if you're using mobility scooters. Look at this place. Now we have to clean it. Who's gonna clean up? Me?
Yeah.
I haven't even got arms. I'm a sack. Well, anyways, I hope you remember to like, subscribe, share, tell all your friends about these two fat guys. I mean, look at them. If they like to gawk at human freaks who stuff themselves with candies, they should all subscribe and watch them. Thank you for your attention.